Hi guys, just wanted to show you this Brookstone Cable Lock. I wanted to show you how it works to open, close, to set the code, and after 2 weeks of vacation I wanted to let you know how it performed in real life, of course. I wrote it actually in a 2 set, but I'm just showing you one of them. The lock, I would say, looks very solid. It has a decent size. I love that it's not super small. This definitely helps, especially if you want to attach it to a suitcase. Usually we can use it on the zipper, just align the zippers, push them through the zippers and lock it again. Of course, we have the TSA approval, we have this TSA opening port here, and we have also the reset button to change the code combination. So usually we get it with 000, so the combination is here on the back. It's not here, it's not here, it's on this side, which is a little bit unusual, but at least we have this line here, which helps a little bit. So usually when we open a package, we get it with the combination 000. By the way, this is not my combination which I'm using. I'm using a different one, and also the code which I'm going to show you during this video is not my code. So there's no personal, no private information here shown. I'm just showing you here a sample how this could work. So again, 000, and that means we can just push here on top. And so this side gets a little bit loose and we can just pull it out. And after securing something, we can push it back here inside and then change the code so nobody can open that. So let's double check. We can push here inside and it doesn't get loose. But when we change it back to 000, we have to properly align it here. Sometimes it's a little bit difficult to see, especially when it's dark. I've seen locks where the numbers are easier to see during the night, but with a little bit of assistant light, it's no problem. So again, after aligning to 000, it opens. That's how it should be. But you can easily change the code when we have it on the old code, whatever you are using to open, or also if you have it still on 000 from the factory, you can push here inside. You have to push pretty hard. You can see now this button is a little bit recessed, and now you can change it to anything. Here in this case, just for this video, I change it to 1, 2, 3. That's not my code which I'm going to use. It's just the code which I'm using in this video. To set it, we push this thing down here. Probably you have seen it, and it also got loose on this end. So let's close it again, change the numbers, try to open, and it doesn't work. Also doesn't work with 000, which was the factory setting. So let's try again, doesn't open. And when we change it to 1, 2, 3, we can easily open it. And when we have it like that, we can push inside again, push here inside, and then we can change it back to 000 or to any number. This is how it works. So really easy. I like it, how easy it is to change the numbers. I also like how stable it is. Cable is really solid. It's protected with some plastic coating here. And again, we have the certified TSA opening here. So I've used it now 2 times for long distance travel, and it worked absolutely awesome. There was no accidental opening or so, nothing broke. It worked perfectly with my suitcase. By the way, I did not only use one. In total, I bought 6 of them. All family members were using such a lock, and there was absolutely no problem. And so it's a full recommendation from my side. Go and get it. And so that's it for now. I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.